Hello guys, welcome to my channel Geeta's Biology. Today's video very important for all CHSE science students. The CHSE Odisha revised the syllabus for pandemic situation. As you know, 30% syllabus reduced in revised syllabus. This is the full syllabus of geology for plus 2 first year students. So let's start. This is the total unit of geology. Total unit 1 contains diversity in the living world and unit 2 contains structural organization in plants, which topic totally deleted in syllabus. Then unit 3 cell structure and function, then unit 4 plant physiology for botany and human physiology for zoology. So let's start detailed syllabus so you can know which chapter added and which chapter deleted in whole syllabus. Unit 1 diversity in the living world contains 2 chapters. First chapter what is living and second chapter silent feature and classification of animal. First chapter contains biodiversity, need for classification in 3 domains of life, concept of species and taxonomic hierarchy and binomial nomenclature. And second chapter contains non-codates up to phyla level and codates up to classes level 3 to 5 silent feature and at least 2 examples. And unit 2 totally deleted in whole syllabus. Then unit 3 cell structure and function contains only one chapter, that is chemical constituents of living cells, which contains biomolecules, structure and function of protein, carbohydrate, lipid, nucleic acid, etc. Then enzyme, it gives types, properties, enzyme actions, then cell division, cell cycle, mitosis, meiosis and their significance in cell division. And unit V contains human physiology. Human physiology unit contains 7 chapters. First chapter totally deleted and the second chapter, that is breathing and respiration. It contains respiratory organs in animal, that is tracheal, branchial, cutaneous, pulmonary. Then respiratory system in humans, it contains mechanism of respiration, that is breathing, and it is regulation in human, that is exchange of gases, transport of gases, then respiratory volumes, then some disorders related to respiration, that is asthma, emphysema, etc. Other disorders are included in this topic. The next chapter contains body fluid circulation. It contains composition of blood, blood groups, coagulation of blood, composition of leaf and its function. Then human circulation system contains structure and working of human heart, blood vessel, cardiac cycle, cardiac output, ECG, double circulation. Then last, regulation of cardiac activity, disorder of circulatory system, hypertension, coronary arteries disease, angina, etc. Next chapter contains excretory products and their elimination. It contains mode of excretion, that is aminotelism, urotelism and uricotelism. Then human excretory system contains structure and function. Then mechanism of urine formation, osmoregulation, regulation of kidney function, that is renin, angiotensin, arterial neurouretic factor, ADS, diabetes insipidus. Then role of other organs in excretion and disorder, uremia, renal failure and renal calculi and nephritis, dialysis and artificial kidney. Then fifth chapter totally deleted in syllabus. Then sixth chapter, that is neural control and coordination. It contains neuron and nerves. Nervous system in human central nervous system, that is brain, spinal cord. Peripheral nervous system and visceral nervous system, then generation and conduction of nerve impulse. Then last chapter, that is chemical coordination and regulation. It contains endocrine gland and hormones. Human endocrine system, that is hypothalamus, pituitary, renal, thyroid, parathyroid, adrenal, pancreas, gonad, etc. Then mechanism of hormone action, elementary idea or details. Then role of hormone as messenger and regulator, then hypo and hyperactivity and related disorder. So thank you all for watching my video.